Uttarakhand's Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat landed in Delhi amid speculation of discontent brewing against Rawat in Uttarakhand BJP unit. Sources have now revealed that the Uttarakhand Chief Minister could tender his resignation. Is there a possibility of a churn in Uttarakhand politics? For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya, now joining us over the phone line. Aishwarya, over to you. Sources revealing that Uttarakhand Chief Minister could soon tender his resignation.
Well, actually, this is what we are being told, Richa, right now by our sources, that yes, within the next few minutes, and he has landed back. Yesterday, he was in Delhi. He had meetings with not only his national president, but also with the Home Minister of the country. And post that, we are being told that it has been clearly indicated to him that under his leadership, BJP is on a falling graph. And as far as BJP as a party is concerned, the most important criteria for them is winnability. And keeping that in mind, there was no answer which could have been given by Rawat, which could have satisfied the top leaders. He landed back in his state at around 11 a.m. At the Jolly Grant Airport of Dehradun. He is back in his residence as we speak. We are being told that he can submit the resignation to the state governor today itself. There are two names. There are two names which are going around. Yes, initially there were 5 to 6 names. One is a member of parliament of the upper house. Other is a minister in his own government. So these two names have been shortlisted. What is going to be the finality, who is going to be taking over, and when he is going to be resigning, is going to be clarified within the next maximum 2 hours. But we would just want to give a short background to our viewers, Richa, that all of this churning began only after the Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, the Aam Aadmi Party sensed that the absence of Congress in the state has really created a very political fertile land for them. And then the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party has reached out to a very senior minister of the BJP in the state government, a very senior state minister, and given him the option of being the chief ministerial face of the Aam Aadmi Party if he decides to jump the ship from BJP to AAP. And when BJP top leadership got a sense of it, that is when the churning began. That is when they started thinking that under the leadership of Trivendra Singh Rawat, senior leaders are not satisfied, the graph of popularity is falling down, and BJP cannot afford to lose the state of Uttarakhand for them. And hence, they started looking out for options, and now we are being told through our sources that they have shortlisted two. One, as I mentioned, is a member of parliament of the upper house, and the other one is a minister in Trivendra Singh Rawat's government. So how smooth is going to be the transition and how fast is something we have to wait and watch for. But as far as the central leadership of the BJP is concerned, they have been able to clarify that yes, through our sources, that Trivendra Singh Rawat is all set to resign. Whether that resignation happens in a couple of hours or tomorrow is just a matter of time.
All right, thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us all those latest inside updates. At 3 p.m. is when we're expecting Trivendra Singh Rawat to hold a briefing, and at 4 he might also meet the governor. We listen to this reaction coming in of Munna Singh as well.
चुनावी वर्ष है, तो चुनावी वर्ष में लीडर्स का स्टेट में आना, स्टेट लीडर्स का नेशनल लीडर से मिलना, ये तो सामान्य प्रक्रिया। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी चूंकि हाईएस्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिस हैं, हमारे विधायक दल के भी नेता हैं, तो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को आमंत्रित किया गया था दिल्ली में राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी और राष्ट्रीय नेताओं ने विचार विमर्श के लिए। वो विचार विमर्श करने के बाद माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी आज लगभग 12 बजे के करीब यहाँ देहरादून में पहुँच गए हैं। और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने मुझसे अपेक्षा की थी कि मैं मीडिया के मित्रों को जानकारी दूं कि 3, सवा 3, साढ़े 3 बजे के करीब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी स्वयं आप लोगों के सामने आएंगे, आप लोगों से बातचीत करेंगे। और जो उनका कंसल्टेशन का प्रोसेस है लीडरशिप के साथ, माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी के साथ, जैसा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का भी थोड़ी देर पहले भी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से दूरभाष पर उनका फ़ोन आया था, चर्चा हो रही थी, तो उन सब चर्चाओं के आधार पर क्या अगला कदम होगा ये माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी खुद आप लोगों को बताएंगे।
And we have some more information as far as the Uttarakhand situation is concerned, giving you a background as far as the Uttarakhand fiasco is concerned. When the AAP sensed a fertile political land for them in Uttarakhand, they reached out to a senior minister in Uttarakhand government, that is Satpal Maharaj, and assured him to a chief minister position. That's when the BJP sensed trouble and this churning for leadership began. In fact, Trivendra Singh Rawat was called to Delhi's shown internal survey, which showed them that BJP is dropping graph under his leadership, to which he had no answer, and hence sources indicate that he had been told to do a smooth transition. He's also expected to submit his resignation too soon. There are about two names in the race for a new chief minister. One is the member of parliament of the upper house, and the other is a minister in the state government. These are inside information and source-based information that we have been receiving as far as the trouble for the Uttarakhand Chief Minister is concerned. Going back to my colleague Aishwarya. Now, Aishwarya, help us understand these inside details that you were speaking about just a short while back, and giving us a background of how the Aam Aadmi Party, that's where it all began, because they sensed a fertile political land for them in Uttarakhand.
Richa, what is happening is that it all began when Arvind Kejriwal sensed a very positive environment for his party in the state of Uttarakhand. That is when it all began, when Arvind Kejriwal reached out, and we'll name the leader, Satpal Maharaj, according to our sources. Arvind Kejriwal's party reached out to Satpal Maharaj, who is a minister in the Trivendra Singh Rawat government, and gave him the offer to be the chief minister's pick. That is what we are being told by our sources. Once that was sensed by the BJP top leadership, that the top leaders of the Uttarakhand government are not satisfied, and that the graph of popularity has been constantly dropping down. That is when the churning began, and they summoned the Uttarakhand Chief Minister to Delhi, showed him the internal survey, to which he had no answer, and hence he was told, according to our sources, to have a smooth transition. But who is going to be taking the baton from him is still not clear, though we are being told that there are two shortlisted individuals initially. Even the name of the HRD minister and the former chief minister of Uttarakhand, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, was there. But now we are being told that only two names, one a member of parliament of the upper house, and the other one is a minister in Trivendra Singh Rawat's government, a man who's said to be from the cadre of the RSS and BJP. These two names are really making rounds that will be taking over from Trivendra Singh Rawat, but BJP wants a very smooth transition, and hence you saw a late-night meeting also between the Chief Minister and this very Member of Parliament of the Upper House at the latter's residence in Delhi, after he met the Home Minister, that is Amit Shah, and then the BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda. He made that special effort to go and meet this Member of Parliament at the latter's residence, and I'm talking about the Uttarakhand Chief Minister here. And now when he's back in Uttarakhand, he landed at the Jolly Grant Dehradun airport at around 11 a.m. We are being told that he's back at his residence now, and he could move towards the governor's house any moment to submit his resignation. Though we are also being indicated by our sources that he's still trying to smoothen things out with the other minister who may be chosen, and hence it may take a couple of hours. So it's just a matter of time when he resigns. But the clear background shows that ever since the Aam Aadmi Party got activated, ever since the Aam Aadmi Party gave an olive branch to a sitting minister of the BJP state government, that is when the churning in the BJP began. So Aam Aadmi Party has sensed that the absence of Congress, absence of an opposition in the state of Uttarakhand is a positive side for them. And that is politically correct for them, because they want to move out of Delhi. That means they want to go over and beyond Delhi as well. They failed in Punjab. They have not been able to make a mark in Gujarat. But they really feel that the absence of Congress party, absence of an opposition in Uttarakhand could be positive, and they reach out to a sitting minister of the BJP in the state has made all of this churning go down.
All right, thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us all those inside details. So we are expecting Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat, who had landed in Delhi amid speculation of discontent brewing against Rawat in Uttarakhand BJP unit. Sources have now revealed that he might soon tender his resignation as well.